So I figured I'd do a QRP Quickie. I had my stuff set up to record this guy, EA5M, Echo Alpha 5 Mexico in the Canary Islands. And then he stopped working people. And the air was dead for about a minute, maybe minute and a half. And so I decided, yeah, I'll hit my record button and just send a question mark in my call sign. See if he's still there, just hanging out. I do that a lot, and more often than not, they'll come back with a CQ, or they'll come back with their call, or a question mark or their own, or something. You'll see. Anyway, that's what I did in this video. Well, my little fan next to me is running, so that's strike one. The furnace started. That's over there running. That's strike two. But calling Echo Alpha 5 Mary? Yeah, no strike there. I hit the ball out of the park, man. QRP Quickie. Now that my furnace has stopped and the fan next to me has been shut off, let's listen to, I believe he said his name is Dani, D-A-N-I, EA5M. He's 569-ish at times, like I told him, but at times he's down on the noise, and I just wanted to show what kind of signal I'd call in a heartbeat. If I heard him calling CQ, I'd not be afraid to call this guy, no matter how much power I'm running. 1 watt, no problem. I'd call him with 1 watt. I'd work him too. Now, see, he's pretty strong. He hits S6 at times. QSB takes him down to about an S2 at times. By noise level is about, I'm sorry, he goes down to about an S3, and my noise level is about an S2. So, you know, He's above the noise, but easily workable. Easily workable. You can work a station that's a lot weaker than that using QRP, which I'm about to find out. I'll show you why. Take a quick look at my logger. Let's look at my DXCC entities, worked and confirmed. See that down there? Worked. 101. Boy, does this phone have a horrible image right now. I don't know how to pronounce the word M-O-I-R-E. More? It's a tough word, man. But 101 countries worked. Confirmed 70. I don't care about the confirmed. I'm not applying for toilet paper for the wall. I don't have an ego wall like a lawyer. By the way, how can you tell when a lawyer's lying? His lips are moving. Anyway, I think I said in a past video that once I've worked 100 countries, that's it. I'm done with QRP. Well, I guess I'm at that point. I guess it's time to put up or shut up and start running QRPp. My goal about 950 milliwatts, just a tad under the 1 watt level. But I've got to build an attenuator pad for the output of my transceiver because 5 watts is the lowest it'll go. So yeah, 73.